Hi everyone, in front of me I've got NUBIA Neo 3 and let me share with you how to change date and time on this device. Alright, so let's start with opening the settings. And here we have to scroll all the way down to find System and Update and then tap on Date and Time. So as you can see here, we've got some options which are currently inactive. It is because we are using the automatic time, date and time zone. So first of all, simply turn off both of those switchers and now we can freely tap on date and change it just by swiping. Confirm it with OK, the same with the time. Just swipe, set the time you wish and tap on OK. Here we've got the time zone, so just tap on it, tap on the region, and here we've got plenty, actually all regions from which we can choose. So simply find yours and then tap on it. It will be immediately applied. Here we can also customize the time format. So right now we are using local default, which is more or less automatic, but we can simply turn this option off and we are not able to actually change the time format, or we are, something was off. So if you struggle with the time format, just like I have previously, simply try to do something with the time zone, tap on the specific switchers, so it will be activated. And as I said, we can simply tap on the switcher to use 24-hour format or tap on it again to set the 12-hour format. So this is basically the customization of this of the date and time. And if you wish to come back to all previous settings, so the automatic options, simply tap on those switchers here and tap on use local default. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.